Sam, I can't see you.
It says goodbye. Mommy, are you taking a video?
You keep asking me. Yes, I am now.
Hi.
Hi, honey.
I just read So Delicious, and now I'm eating Bear's Loose Tooth.
That's right.
I like the loose.
Here
Said open wide and looked inside and saw Bear's Loose Tooth. You could also take the pictures.
Okay, honey.
Mouse squeak. Don't fuss. Look, see a new tooth will grow where the old tooth used to be. Well, we'll help, said Wren. I know what to do. It's out with the old and with the new.
And with the new? Okay. Give me a nice smile, hon. Love you.
Hi.
Good.
I do loading.
You what?
I'm doing loading.
You doing art?
Learning.
Oh, learning. Oh, gotcha.
Here's the next page.
Okay.